Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys I'll be talking to you guys about the two new dreams in Heartopia, which is the Party Player and Party Crafter. So I'm at Party Star. It was very easy for me to complete this because I just joined somebody's parkour party that was super easy and got a lot of points from it. And now I'm at level 6,000. But for the hide and seek party, I haven't gotten to the like last point. I don't know, like the highest point, I guess. But you'll still get the party star title, I guess. And then for the party crafter, you have the parkour party here, and then the hide and seek party. I haven't reached the highest one, which is the dream weaver. You do get the achievement once you've reached the idea hamster. So if you don't want to reach the dream weaver, that is totally fine. You can complete you can gain points by completing the dream goal. It says edit the chessboard trap once. While creating a gameplay blueprint, place at least 6 different types of parties. You'll get 50, 30 here, 80. You'll get 100 here, and then 30, and then you'll get more points when people join your parkour party. It also adds up with a hide and seek party as well. Complete a total of 5 hide and seek parties you started. 30, okay, you get the point, and you'll get like rewards along the way, some wishing stars. I don't unlocking this will change the appearance of the mysterious Grimkin. Oh, I guess this is like skins for your mysterious Grimkin. And then for the parkour one, you get just like the spring columns, which I don't think is very useful. And then here for the party player, party star, oh, you can change the appearance of the crown. I think you can change it in, I actually don't know like where you can change it. Maybe in your dress up area. Okay, so this one will change the appearance of the survey drone. Okay, cool. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Okay, it's not here. And if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.